it also opened up possibilities for beyond the traditional, and the government grant is not the only thing. Doordarshan is not the only thing.
Yeah.
ICCR is not the only thing.
Yeah.
These state
Physical
festivals are
institute is
not the
the
only thing.
only thing. Yeah. Yeah.
And then even more contemporary spaces also you could start accessing,
Yeah. Yeah.
where like
Most
multiple firms
came
can
up.
come together. And there were so many, like even in the pandemic, there were so many things that were happening as online festivals, right?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
was also, I think, quite equalizing in a sense. Ki usme, and then um, just the possibility that even if you don't get recognition within the existing
Hmm.
circles of
Hmm.
influence, which is the case for me, which is a conversation I've had for a very long time. I do feel like now at least I have a fighting chance. Like I don't.
Hmm.
Now I'm confident कि हाँ, like पहले ये था कि when I decided कि हाँ, I'm not, when I realized or when I was accepting the reality that I might not get space in traditional circles,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
it meant that I have to kind of resign to not being that out
Hmm.
there at prominent, or like
Hmm.
ठीक है, like then I'm just doing whatever I'm doing within my zone.
Yeah.
एंड ठीक है, मेरे को ऐसा कोई वर्थ का इशू नहीं है उसमें तो, बट नाउ इवन इफ आई एक्सेप्ट दैट ओके ट्रेडिशनल स्पेसेस माइट नॉट बी फॉर मी,
Hmm. Hmm.
it doesn't mean that there is a lack of opportunities for me. I just have to look for different opportunities, and I have to now, in fact, I get to open my mind even more. And because I've also had diverse training,
Yeah. Yeah.
now I get the freedom where I'm like, हाँ, मैं सब कुछ use करके, then I can even just change this sphere of influence altogether. Like where
Yeah.
I go and perform now
Yeah.
can just be completely different.
Yeah. 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 Exactly. I fully agree. I think it's also made you. It just feels like you can control the narrative around you more, which
More.
in traditional space sometimes you can't. And
Yeah.
because you also have all the freedom to put out your process instead of like one final product, which is
Yeah.
hiring an editorial and getting a whole thing set. So I think
Yeah.
it allows people to know you as a
But,
person and can reach out
or
to you.
just this again, like with the online festivals and all also, like just creating a dance on film
Yeah.
is
In-
become like a bona fide
Yeah,
output, right? Like
exactly. It's a
even
genre.
if even if I don't get, because that's what was there were a few festivals जिसमें यही हो रहा था, then they had filmed it really nice, it wasn't a stage thing, but then it became like dance for that medium,
Yeah.
which again like just actually just recently I was exploring, I was thinking about, like, because now I have a relationship with the camera, and I have as
Yeah.
somebody that I could collaborate with
Yeah.
in terms of videography. Then I was thinking, yeah, maybe I can start the concept that I was अभिव्यक्ति में नहीं जा रहा था. Maybe I can create some version of it that gets visualized. Even I can understand how much of what I'm thinking is making sense.
Yeah.
I can make
Yeah.
it in a short form. I can put it on YouTube if nothing else. At least it gets an audience. And then I can apply with it to make it into. So, I mean, I have,
Yeah.
like, that becomes a whole other
Yeah. Yeah.
medium and opportunity for presenting my work
Yeah.
as well on the stage.
Yeah. I think then our relationship with creating also completely has changed because earlier the idea of creation was like, oh, या तो कोई नया टुकड़ा तिहाई परम बनेगा या फिर सीधा प्रोडक्शन प्रीमियर होगा त्रिवेणी कमानी में. Now you can create something just at a minute level every day and let an idea evolve from that also.
Yeah,
I think now when we look at ourselves as creators on a daily basis.
yeah, because every idea cannot find fruition in just one way either. Like some ideas might be, because there are some classical dancers who just have just small ideas, वो within the classical vocabularies को express करते हैं, कहीं और से कोई और concept relate करते हैं, which is really refreshing and interesting to watch also. Like,
Yeah,